Very simple deviled avocado recipe this morning. Sesame seed oil, Himalayan salt, and garlic powder. Let's get started and see just how easy this can be. Let's make a quick cut. And I'll take out the core over there. Got our nice avocado halves. And I'll start by getting that salt, letting that sink in. Put a good amount. I'm going to mix it up a little bit as we go. Garlic powder. Next for the sesame seed oil, just drizzling it in there. Now I'm going to make a few cuts. These are going to act as grooves for that oil to start sinking in and seeping in as we pour it. Okay, perfect. Now we'll just mix that up and mix it in, really, devil it up, get the oil to sink in so we're not having some bites with flavor and some bites without. Okay, a little taste test. That's an awesome flavor. There we have it.